Take a breath and spread out in this classic New England colonial, sited beautifully on a piece of property that appears much larger than its actual size. This home is located in a sought-after neighborhood with easy access to the delightful town center, which offers a few dining choices as well as places of worship and local businesses. It's just a quick drive to all the area's major routes for when you need to travel. When you're lucky enough to be at home, you'll envelop yourself in a peaceful setting. A sweeping yard and a huge composite deck create the feeling of serenity. Inside, you have spaces that are multifunctional, with lots of newer, designer-decorated wall colors and gleaming hardwood floors for easy maintenance. Quiet contemplation can be yours, or perhaps an in-home working environment in the fireplace living room, which has a cozy built-in workspace flanked by bookshelves. The phenomenal island kitchen opens into a front-to-back family room that is drenched in sunlight from the Anderson door, showcasing the substantial rear yard. A formal dining room could be another space for a more formal office, or perhaps a flex space. You decide. Upstairs, there are 4 spacious bedrooms for privacy when needed. The lower level may be the perfect space for future expansion. This home offers the ideal environment for long-term enjoyment. It's been lovingly cared for and updated throughout the years, and it's a classic beauty that represents the best of Southborough's charm with an understated elegance that is oh so appealing.